In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about streamlining your content creation workflow using AI nodes to generate and edit text effortlessly. Whether you're an experienced content creator or just getting started, this approach will enhance your productivity and creativity, saving you time and effort. So let's dive into the process and explore how each step unfolds. To begin with, we need to open up the content creation workflow. This is the foundation of our approach where we lay out the processes we'll be using. Imagine this as setting the stage for everything you're about to create. By organizing and outlining your workflow, you ensure that you're covering all the bases and making the most of your time. Depending on your preferred tools and platforms, this setup may vary. Choose the one that fits best with your style, be it a dedicated software, an online platform, or even a well-organized document. Once our workflow is ready, we move on to one of the most exciting parts, using AI nodes to generate text. AI nodes are essentially like an intelligent network of writing buddies right at your fingertips. These nodes can help you brainstorm ideas, provide inspiration, or even craft entire sections of text based on the prompts you provide. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. When engaging with AI nodes, start by providing clear instructions or keywords related to the content you desire. This ensures that the generated text aligns with your vision. Experiment with different combinations and see which prompts yield the best output for your content need. After generating text using AI, it's crucial to refine and tailor it to your audience. This brings us to the next step, editing. Editing is where your unique voice and creativity flourish. Review the AI-generated text, make changes to match your tone, and add any additional information or anecdotes that your audience will find valuable. This step is not just about correcting errors, it's about crafting a narrative that truly resonates. Remember, AI can give you a solid starting point, but it's your insights that bring the content to life. Finally, after perfecting your content, it's time to export it. This could involve saving the finished piece in the preferred file format, uploading it to your website, or sharing it on your social media platforms. Consider where your audience spends their time online and make sure your content is accessible to them. The goal here is to ensure it reaches the people who will benefit from it the most. And there you have it, a streamlined content creation workflow using AI. By organizing your process, leveraging the power of AI for inspiration, and refining your content, you can consistently produce high quality work with less hassle. Embrace these tools and methods and watch as your creative projects come to life with brilliant simplicity. Thank you for joining me on this content creation journey. Until next time, keep creating.